see Norma
You
Salinas in the waiting room.
told me she was waiting. You mind if I give her a quick call, Judge?
Yeah, give her a quick call. Norma Salinas, okay.
Hello?
Hey, Norma?
Hey, we're starting.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
we're starting. Okay, yes.
Okay, so
Oh.
I didn't hear a thing. But yeah, let me, do I have to actually show my face?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so I'm on.
Okay, I'll see you there.
All right, thanks.
All right, thanks. Bye.
All right. All right, you need to unmute Miss Salinas.
There.
All right,
Hello.
there you go. There you go. Court will resume with the March 9th, 2022 docket. And we're here on CR 1910 250D, State versus Joseph Anthony Rodriguez. And I think we have all the parties involved here already, here on the screen. Mr. Gwynn, you were going to call Miss Norma Salinas as your witness?
Yes, Judge. The state called Ms. Norma Salinas.
All right. Good afternoon, ma'am. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may put your hand down, and Mr. Gwynn, you may begin.
Yes, Judge. Please state your full name for the record.
I'm sorry.
Please state your full name for the record.
My name's Norma Salinas.
Okay. And are you a victim of the driving while intoxicated offense that occurred on or about June 15th, 2019?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What kind of damage did you sustain as a result of the incident?
It was a hit-on, and it was a stationary a stationary vehicle, which was my vehicle.
Okay. Judge, if I may introduce the exhibit, the receipts.
Okay.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Exhibit,
There'll be no objection.
I'm sorry?
No objection to those exhibits.
No objection? Okay, it'll be admitted.
Okay. Can I show it on screen, Judge, or?
You want to show the screen? Okay, let me share the screen here. Right there. Okay.
Okay, let me. Ms. Salinas, do you recognize these documents?
I don't see the documents right now. They're on a different format on PDF, I believe. Let me get my glasses.
Okay.
Mr. Gwynn, are these exhibits 1 to 4?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, and you're going to show us some exhibits?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
He needs to click on it.
If you want to show us number 4, you need to click on it, right?
Number 4, Judge.
Okay.
Okay, so you want me to click on those documents?
No, do you recognize these?
I'm
document?
sorry. I don't see any documents. They're all filed in a different format. They're not revealed.
Yeah, I don't see anything either.
Let me see how, because I've never,
I know you want to show us X4, I think.
well,
Oh.
at least X1 and 2 and 4, Judge.
Okay.
I've never done this before, so let me see if I should do this right.
Oh.
Let's see. Is it showing at least something? I never know.
Oh,
Nothing's happening. It's still in that format. SX1, SX2, 3, and 4.
Okay, let me show you XX1 first. They're all in JPEG format, like picture format.
well, anyway, I think last time we talked about this case, Mr. Garcia wanted to cross-examine the victim. And what was the amount you were seeking for the state, Mr. Gwen?
Judge, the state is requesting $1,403.95, Judge, but it might be less than that based on what victim says, Judge.
Okay, maybe less than that. Okay. Well, I guess without using documents, you can continue asking Miss Salinas. Maybe she might remember.
Yes. What were the documents? What is the receipt covers? Do you remember, Ms. Salinas?
Okay, it actually covers the whole amount. I was responsible for a percentage. I don't recall, but right off my head, if you look at these statements, I don't know if you have them in front of you. I got reimbursed by Charles Chevrolet, my part, which was, if you see the refund right there, the coupon plus the payment refund, that's how much I got paid back out of those 1,300.
So what are you seeking?
Oh, I'm seeking just out of pocket
Which is?
cost, which is the $100 worth of the wreck or the wrecker costs, and plus the damages. The insurance paid for a big portion, but I still had to end up paying the deductible. I think it was like $500 deductible.
Deductible 500. Okay, and then the plus the 100.
Plus 100, exactly.
So you're seeking what, 600?
$600 at least.
Okay. Mr. Garcia?
At least out of pocket. I mean, the car was not good for at least over a month.
Okay.
Mr. Garcia is muted.
Yeah, I need to unmute Mr. Garcia.
Here we go.
Yes, sir.
Yes, if I could just ask Miss Salinas a couple of questions.
Sure.
Sure. Okay, Miss Salinas, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Hi, my name is Arturo Garcia, and I represent the defendant in this case, Mr. Rodriguez.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I wanted to ask you about this this reimbursement that you received in this coupon. You mentioned $600, but is there any possibility you can take out your insurance policy to find out exactly the amounts? Because I don't see it's right just to say, oh, it's about $500. I would like the actual number if possible.
Yeah, like I spoke with Mike before, the organizer. I says, I'm a very busy woman. I didn't, I don't have, that's all I have. And I can go deeply into research. I'm a nurse. I work. I'm an insurance agent. I'm busy. I don't have time. I'm so sorry. But I did spend out of my pocket, as it is, nothing's for free. The insurances from a, yes, a car's insurance, you always have to pay a deductible regardless. And that deductible, I was about to call, I'm real busy. This morning I was real busy with clients. I was about to call Clark's Chevrolet to see how much they made out that check for. As you can see on the statement, I paid with my own credit card, and then they were supposed to reimburse the other parts. That's the way they were supposed to take payment for the insurance to pay off everything. So I was responsible for the whole amount, although the deductible was only $500.
Okay, and you're 100% positive on the $500.
Take and give, I can be shortchanged. It could be more, but for sure it's $500 that I recall.
Well, I'm not trying to trick you guys or anything like that. I just want to make sure.
I understand.
You're right. Well then, what insurance coverage did you have?
That was pronto.
Pronto?
Yes.
Okay.
And that insurance was covered. Actually, that insurance was through my ex-husband, actually.
Okay, but it was still under coverage. They did reimburse
Yeah,
you.
it was under coverage. Exactly.
And do you know the amount that you were reimbursed?
Oh, as you can see, it's right there on the statement. We can do the math.
Statement?
Yeah, there's a statement that I submitted to Mike.
Yes.
And yeah, it was, if you do the math, 13, I don't recall how much was, let's see.
Mr. Garcia, if you look at the
1303.95.
receipt that I presented you, if you look at, there's an amount that the total amount to fix the car, the grand total, and there was a check that from Pronto Insurance. That's how much they paid, and she got a coupon for $100, and how much she paid herself.
So as you can see, if you do the math, that brings it down to 400 actually.
Okay.
But I can be shortchanged. Like I said, I can be shortchanged. Maybe that coupon helped me deduct $100 from my deductible, so that you have 400 left, plus the 100 of the record.
Well, Ms. Salinas, are you saying that you're agreeing with the amount for restitution to be 400?
Look at the statement. I know that the deductible was 500, but if I got a coupon, that's how much I end up being reimbursed.
Okay, Ms.
Or
Salinas,
responsible
I'm
for
just
paying.
asking, because right now we're playing with numbers. I'm trying to do the math, but is it my understanding that you're in agreement with restitution to be set at $400? I'm not trying to trick you.
No, well, plus 100 of the record, that's
Plus a
500.
record.
Okay, so $500 now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, I have no further questions for Ms. Salinas, if that's her understanding.
Okay, so then we're in agreement that the amount is 500?
Well, if I can just ask Mr. Rodriguez a couple questions, Judge,
Okay.
since we're here. Mr.
Okay.
Rodriguez, can you state your full name, please, for the record?
First, I don't see Mr. Rodriguez. Let me bring him in. Mr. Rodriguez, Mr. Rodriguez, you swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, go ahead.
Can you state your name for the record?
Joseph Anthony Rodriguez.
Okay. And are you familiar with the present case that we're discussing, Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And from your understanding, there was no insurance paid out to Ms. Salinas from your side?
Yes, from my understanding, I don't believe there was any insurance money paid out to her.
Okay. And are you currently employed?
No, I'm currently looking for work. It's a bit of a weird situation that I'm in with work, but I'm figuring things out.
Okay. How long has it been since you've been unemployed?
I'm currently employed under contract work for a testing site for COVID. However, since they cut our hours, I haven't been working the past 4 weeks. I've been pretty much looking for work in that time. However, just recently I had a job interview, so I'm looking into that one. It seems pretty promising.
Okay. And are you currently able to pay restitution in an amount of $500?
Right now at this moment, no.
Okay. Well, Judge, I have no further questions. I just ask that a fair, reasonable amount of restitution be set in this case. Judge, you're muted.
Any questions, Mr. Nguyen?
No question, Judge.
All right. Then what is the amount that the state is seeking right now?
500, Judge.
All right. Court will go ahead and order $500 restitution. All right. Thank you all very much. Y'all may be excused.
If I may,
Thank you.
Good.
Yes, sir, Mr. Rodriguez.
yes. So I just wanted to address Miss Norma Salinas really quick.
Sure.
Hi. So I know we hadn't had the chance to meet yet. It's been a very long time since this incident has happened. However, it is something that I do still think about. I just wanted to take the time to apologize to you and your family and whatever any tragedy that I may have caused you, especially with your vehicle. I understand some things like that. It's very tough on others, and for myself, it's the same. So I'm glad. Hopefully, we can come to an understanding with each other. And yeah, I apologize.
Well, you are forgiven on my side.
Thank
But sometimes we do have to pay consequences, well, whether it be monetarily or with anything, a job, right? And I know you're not working right now, but if you can pay monthly, I appreciate it. I mean, everything has a consequence. You are forgiven, but there are stipulations afterwards. And I'd like you to learn from that lesson. I hope it's a take home message that you learned something from this.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.